What's good, y'all? I'm back with another video. We're gonna do air signs now. Libra, Gemini, Aquarius. Alright, let's get the energy. I'm hearing pills and bills. Someone can pop pills. And you feel like all you got is bills. You popping pills because you got all these bills. I'm hearing I'm rich as fuck, but money don't buy you happiness. Money don't buy you love. You could be someone that has money, but you're not happy. Damn, I'm hearing last night he got so high he almost blew his brains out. Oh. Call the police. I don't want to be a player no more. I'm hearing he's stressing like a motherfucker low key. But he fly. You could be someone that dress nice. They're big mad. Don't let them see they got the best of you. So whoever you are, don't let someone see they got the best of you. I'm hearing I watched my cousin smoke drugs his whole life, and then fentanyl hit the street, and then he OD'd on it. I don't know. Someone could OD popping too many pills. Someone wants to be seen with you for 5 seconds of fame. So whoever you are, you could be a little famous, you could be hood famous, or you could be a celebrity. Call the police for what, Spirit? Again, this reading is for air signs. Call the police for what? Excuse me, spiritual burp. Someone had some love spells put on them. Every man wants a woman that ain't good for laying on her back. Someone that put love spells on an air sign sleeps on their back. I don't want to be a player no more. Someone needs to stay off of social media. I don't want to be a player no more. Give me one more. I'm hearing you must believe. I don't know what that means to someone. Maybe you're not believing in yourself. This situation is a recipe for disaster. Whoever you are, you want to change your ways. You don't want to be a player no more. Then stay off of social media. It sounds like a warning for somebody. They're big mad. Why they mad? Someone is mad at a divine feminine. Someone's karma is poverty. Don't let them see they got the best of you, Spirit. All right, so whoever you are, you're not living in your South Node anymore. You graduated to your North Node. Since you graduated to your North Node, getting in touch with your higher self, someone feel like loving you is gonna be too hard. They know they can't fool you, connive you. They just can't. Now, whoever this is, whoever did these love spells could be experiencing a backfire, right? It backfired on them, and they gonna become a stalker for you. All right. This could be someone you had a one night stand with, some type of fling with. They're gonna become a stalker, but you know that this person just lays on their back. Let me see something. Spirit, tell me more about these love spells and call the police. Someone wants you to put their trust in you and them. This person is telling you take their hand. They don't need another man. So I could be talking to a divine masculine. Divine masculine, when these love spells wear off, or they start backfiring on the person that put them on you, you're going to end up having to call the police. You're going to get a stalker. Some type of return to sender going on here. Spirit, call the police love spells. What is this? Call the police love spells. What is this? It says mind fuckery and watching shit go down, enjoying the gossip. Someone has someone under some type of manipulation, some type of, that's this love spell. Someone really manipulated you and now they watching some shit go down. Give me one more. What's going down? What's the gossip? Someone trying to knock you down, air sign. Putting them in their place. Some love spells about to wear off, and you're gonna be putting someone in their place, or you're gonna find something out. Be careful too, though, because once you put them in their place, they're gonna try to flip it on you and call the cops on you like you did something to them. Yeah, whoever you're dealing with, they was putting on a show. Someone wants to set some type of record straight. I don't want to be a player. Stay off social media. This situation is a recipe for disaster. Why? Clarify these cards. Copycat. Someone was trying to copy you. What's this copycat say? Someone has gambling addictions. Someone having an addiction with taking risk, or someone could actually have a real gambling addiction. It says, I hate nothing about you. Alcohol abuse. Someone that's drinking, they hate nothing about you. This is someone that always take risk. They a player, but they don't want to be no more. And this copycat giving me, they ran into someone that's just like their ass. This player. Also, someone could be copying you. They ran to someone that reminds them of you. Their karma is poverty, the divine and the divine feminine. Yeah, it's a narcissist that's targeting a divine feminine, or did some manipulation on a divine, something with a divine feminine. You're dealing with a narcissist, divine feminine. Or this could be a masculine and it's feminine energy. This narcissist is materialistic. Someone put love magic on someone to get some things out of them to get what they could get. We have materialistic. Someone love material things. I'm hearing it's time for me to give you all the love you need. Yeah, someone realizing someone's spoiled. We have betrayal, but they betrayed them. Now this person is depressed. I'm hearing I can't keep treating you like I treat the rest. I'm hearing I'm ready to give you all of my love. Someone don't want to be a player no more. Divine feminine, you made a player go straight, like want to settle down type stuff. I'm hearing I got so many girls I can't even name. Higher self, loving you is like a battle. Don't let them see they got the best of you. What is this? A bugaboo that envies you. So, one of these people that your person is dealing with, they envy you. I'm hearing I just haven't been giving you my time. Someone wants, they want to give you some time, some much deserved time. They feel like they've been ignoring you, putting you on a back burner for these other people. Why is bugaboo and envy here? Bugaboo and envy. This person could like strippers or something. A pole dancer could be significant in this. We have social media. Someone could be posting things on social media and it say, don't let them see they got the best of you. I don't want to be a player no more. If you're watching someone and they posting negative stuff on social media about you or subliminal posts, it's saying, don't let them see they got the best of you. It could be pissing you off. This copycat. Someone put you in a secret competition with a copycat. Someone that's angry all the damn time. And they abuse substance and alcohol. There go the pills and the alcohol I said earlier. They got someone stuck this lustful and seductive energy. So someone, the love spells, not only did they, thank you, Spirit, double confirmation. Not only did they trick this person with love spells, they use their sex to get this person. Someone is out here using sex as a weapon. I'm hearing, can you give me one more chance? This player, they don't want to be a player no more. They want to come in, they want to put the time in with you. They feel like y'all will have an everlasting romance. What's going on the social media, Spirit? Someone is insecure. Could be this copycat insecure, or it could be your person. We have pregnancy tests. Someone could have a pregnancy scare. Someone could have got pregnant. Someone's going through mental health concerns. Because someone chasing you. Remember it said call the police. You got someone chasing you. You got a stalker. You're going to have to call the police. Someone realizing they made some bad choices. This is why they drinking and abusing alcohol, popping pills. Someone came up with the idea to do this to you. Someone could be having beauty spells put on them as well by a backstabber. Setting the record straight. Divine masculine, are you being abused? We got man abuse here. Playing the victim. Someone's getting abused in a situation. And the person that does the abusing, they playing the victim now. Because they got caught up. I'm telling you. Someone should have used protection, but they didn't. Someone worried about did they get someone pregnant. I'm hearing when judgment comes for you, it's going to get everybody. So, someone's under judgment. I'm hearing God's got it. It's in God's hands, whatever this is. This traits are going to be in denial. They do this because they grew up with a toxic mother. I'm hearing you follow the Lord 24/7. You're someone that you fear God. Or you being guided to. You haven't met your soulmate yet. You thought someone was your soulmate, but you ain't even met your soulmate yet. And it says their karma is spiritual jail. So that's why I just said it's in God's hands. God's got it. God took over the situation. Whatever it is, air signs. See, they're under judgment because they're abusing their spiritual gifts. I'm saying, I'm hearing they doing all this instead of keeping up with their family. Something might happen to someone's family. I'm hearing when it's time to die, you go bye-bye and all they can do is cry. They are in over their heads. So it keeps saying they. It could be a group of people. They're trying to escape the relationship. Someone's trying to get out of this relationship because they're getting abused. Listening device in your home. Air sign. Someone put a listening device in your home, or you put it in someone's home. You'll always be their baby. They feel like you'll always be their baby, or flip the roles. Only take what resonates with you, and really use your discernment when watching these videos. Slept with your enemy. Air sign, you slept with someone enemy, or someone slept with your enemy. You feel like this is a hateful world. You feel like you're living in a hateful world. Working with a crooked lawyer. Air sign, you could be working with a crooked lawyer, or someone else is working with a crooked lawyer. Two more. One more. It's a sleazy that sets you up to fall. I heard a sleazy set up easy to fall. Your name could start with an E. I don't know. Could be not. They're sleeping with someone else. So whoever you in a situationship with, they're sleeping with someone else. Give a lot of security. Not where I want to be. They are racist. So you could be in some interracial relationship, or wherever you at, you feel like someone is racist. It could be a relationship, it could be a job, whatever. You give you give a person a lot of security, but you don't want to be there for some reason. Let me get two more. Yeah, you found out someone was a mattress bag. They're a natural sneak. So, air sign, you could be my nose itching. This confirmation. Air sign, you could be a mattress back, or looked at as a mattress back, or this is how someone is viewing you. We have an influencer. One more. Copycat getting exposed. So whoever this copycat is, they're getting exposed. It's the copycat getting exposed. I'm hearing nothing is promised. Bad news coming in. Slow down and pay attention to the signs, air sign. This could be your energy, air signs, or this could be the person you're dealing with, energy. Someone got some bad news coming in. Someone that's, if you're trying to escape a relationship, you could have the bad news, or the person that wanted to keep you in a relationship can have the bad news. Flip the roles, put it where it fit. Alright. I'm hearing, I know the things you said been right. So someone could be watching you, or you could be talking to them. They know that you was right. I'm hearing, don't let mountains change your mind. I'm hearing they don't know things we share unless they're here. You could have people interfering with this. So yeah, air sign, you're gonna have a stalker on your hand, or air sign, you are the stalker. If you are the stalker, someone gonna call the police on you. If you're not the stalker, you're gonna have to call the police on them. Give me a description of either the person, the air sign, or the person they're dealing with. What description spirit for the air signs? I'm hearing you mean the world to me. So air signs, you mean the world to someone, or someone means the world to you. Give me the message of spirit. This don't even belong in here. Someone know a crooked lawyer. That don't belong in there. Someone has black hair, and someone has brown hair. Someone can have black and brown hair. Right? Give me the descriptions of these people. Someone could have brown hair and they're average built. Black hair and they're average built. Uncle. Some people's uncle come out. It's an uncle that's in mostly damn near all of my readings, yo. You can have an uncle with brown hair or black hair. This person is a father figure. Or you could be dealing with an Aries air sign. Someone has a big belly. Child support. Someone could give you child support. Someone you could have on child support. Two more. An uncle could owe you child support. We have sister. Sister popped out. And we have sister here again. It's a sister involved in this shit. You may have to call the police on your own damn sister. One more. Your sister could be average, built with a big belly, with brown hair or black hair. They could be brown skin. I'm hearing you acting kind of shady and calling me baby. We have a Latino man at the bottom. You could be dealing with a Latino man. You're going to have to call the police on. This Latino man could be a maintenance worker. They could have a fade. You could be dealing with a security guard. Could be involved in this situation. Your uncle could have the big belly. Their sister could have the big belly. They're brown skin. I'm hearing everything you say to me come true. My nose is bad too. Someone feel like you acting kind of shady and you calling me baby. We're gonna pull some letters and I'm gonna end the video. I still have to do earth signs next. I'm hearing tell the truth. Who are you with? Someone trying to find out who you're with. Give me some letters, first, middle, last initials, or a name of these people involved in this situation for the air signs. Someone feel like something going down and you moving funny. You used to call me baby, but you don't do it. Or when you're around certain people, you say baby instead of saying my name. This could resonate with you. If your person always be like baby or babe, whatever. They never call you by your name when they're in the presence of someone else. But that changed. Alright. They used to call you by your name, but it changed. Only when they're around certain person. So we have L. B. Someone name could be LB. C. H C U M K N X Q P. Someone, when they talk, they say everything twice. That's a dead giveaway. I'm hearing when you say stuff to me times two. So 3 more letters. We have R, Z. One more. At the bottom, we have O. We have Y. All right. I see Kai. Someone named could be Kai. Someone could be from New York. We have PR. Someone could be from Puerto Rico. I just heard she can't love you. I don't know what that means to someone. You could be feeling like someone can't love you. I don't know. Just heard that. Someone name could be Sherry. Chum. Someone think you a chump. We have chump. You could call someone a chump. I see chummy. Someone name could be chummy. I see black. Someone name nickname could be black. We have unk out here like uncle. This is missing the E. My uncle keep coming out and reading. Someone could like rum. Liquor, the rum. I see pumpkin. Someone name could be pumpkin. Someone name could be Corey. Someone could like curry chicken. I see curry chicken. Someone could be from the islands. Could be someone's ex. I see Chuck. Someone name could be Chuck or Chucky. I see Chunk and Chunky. Someone could think you're chunky. Someone could like chunky soup. Someone could be chunky. I see bum. Someone thinks you're a bum or you think someone is a bum. I see him. Someone could sing in a choir. I'm hearing I could do what guys their age could do. You could be someone dealing with someone a lot younger or a lot older. One or the other. Put it where it fits. Flip the roles if you have to. Someone name could be Yummy or Yum Yum. I don't know. I see Chris. Someone name could be Chris. I see bump. Someone could have a baby bump or some type of bump. I see Buck. Someone name could be Buck or Bucky. I see pry. Someone like prying in your business. I see punk. You could call somebody a punk. They could call you a punk. They feel like you a punk. Also see lump. Someone gonna have some type of lump on their body. I see cry. Someone's been crying. Or when this person comes toward you, they could be crying. That's what I have for y'all guys. Again, the letters are L, B, C, H, K, C, U, M, N, X, Q, P, R, Z, Y. That's what I have for y'all. I hope it helped air signs. Wishing you guys nothing but the best. Peace, love, light, and blessings to you.